What's up, guys? This is Sam from No BS Renovations.
This is Bryce from No BS Renovations.
And I'm here to just tell you a little bit about our channel and what we're going to be doing. We're going to be an educative / entertaining way to show you things that you can do in your own house, do-it-yourself builds, renovations. We also do property management, home theater systems, security camera systems. So we're a jack of all trades, master of none type deal. But we are good. That's pretty much mainly what our channel is going to be about. I hope you guys do stick around. We're going to have a lot of cool things in store for you. Click that like button, right? Right?
Yep.
And comment! So we're breaking into the house right now because Bryce doesn't have his keys. So he's going to show you exactly how. Look at that. We're not condoning this, but we're just sort of showing you that maybe you should lock your top lock.
This is why you always lock your deadbolt.
Yes. Oh, never mind. All right, and we're in.
Welcome to our new project.
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a summary on the house. The house is approximately 700 square feet and features 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It's situated on a corner lot and also has a 1-car garage.
The 1-car garage would be great for a creative space or anything of the like. Me and Bryce are just really excited to get this renovation started. We have a lot of creative freedom this time. Sometimes we're held back just because we do apartments and we have to have it look a certain way.
So the tenants here also lived for 20 years, so the maintenance on this house has been ongoing. So the bones and the structure of this house are very good. So we're able to focus more on our creativity and mainly fix up all the cosmetic things.
We're gonna try and keep somewhat of a retro feel to it, but we're gonna modernize it and make it just look a little bit more livable than it currently is, because it's honestly, it's a little bit in shambles at the moment.
We're gonna get everything cleaned up, and we're really excited for you guys to see the process that we're gonna go through as we get this house back to market.
First thing that we really need to do, we are going to throw out all the trash. The last tenants here, they kept a lot of the trash here. There's a decent amount of trash. Step 1 in doing a renovation is clean up your workspace. And like all days, we gotta eat some lunch.
Some Asian garlic chicken wings.
Ooh. And this is where we eat. We eat right there on the floor, right where we work as well. So it's a good time. Alright, what's up, guys? So, just wanted to give you a little update on what we've been doing. Clearing out a lot of the trash in the area. We broke down there's a bunch of tables. They had a bunch of tables for, I guess they had birds or something. And this thing smells like it's a mix of throw up and like really old milk. Okay. Alright, and then, and so let's keep going. We're gonna be setting up shop over here with all the trash, and then we're gonna have some guys haul it away.
Died in here.
Yeah, it literally smells like
someone died in there.
Yeah, it's maybe there is a body in that bag. Who knows? But it's horrible. It's absolutely horrible. I'll just, I'll spare you the details. I did already retch, so I'm sorry about that. Man, hey, look at that. We're getting there, fam. Let's do it. Woo! What up, BS fam? Currently, Bryce is going insane on the power washer here. I'll try and get a little shot of him through the window. He is literally, He's been power washing now for probably the past, I don't know, like hour and a half. He loves it. And we got that on a whim, and we're like, we might not use it. Perfect time to use it. I just wanted to give you a little update on what I'm doing. At the moment, I am taking out every single little screw that I can find in the walls, and anything that is protruding out from the wall pretty much. I'm going with just like a 5-in-1 tool, and I'm really digging these holes out so it's a good like circle. It's a skim coat. It's already a pre-mixed drywall. It's a green dot. So I'm getting a little bit of that, and I am going to go over probably with the first coat today, and then second coat probably tomorrow once it dries. If it dries, some of these holes are actually very big. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update of exactly what we're both doing. All right, BS fam, thanks for joining us on day 1 of our big project that we got going. If you liked our video, please give us a like.
And if you have any ideas for what we should do for our future videos, please leave a comment down below.
And last but not least, subscribe. Have a good one, guys. Whenever Bryce has to move anything disgusting smelling, he gags so hard. Okay, bye guys.